Today is which day? Tuesday. So Durga Saptami. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Jatavedase Sunamamaso Mamarati Yado Nidahati Vedaha Sanat Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Mahadeva Sindham Duritat Yagnihi Tam Agnivarnam Tapasa Jwalantim Vairochanim Karma Phaleshu Jushtam Durgam Devi Gum Sharanamaham Prapadye Sutarasitarase Namaha Agne Tvam Parayanavyo Asman Swasti Bhirati Durgani Vishwa Uscha Prithvi Bahulana Urvi Bhavato Gayatanaya Yashayo Vishwadino Durgaha Jata Vedas Sindhum Manava Duritati Parshi Agne Atrivan Manasa Grunano Smakam Bodhyavita Tanunam Prutanajitagum Sahamana Bugramagdigum Bhuvema Paramat Sadastad Sarah Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Shavad Devo Adiduritat Yagnihi Pratnoshikavidyo Advareshu Sanacha Hota Navyascha Satsi Swam Chagne Thanumam Piprayasva Swabhyancha Saubhagamaya Jasva Gohirjushta Vayujo Vishiktam Tavendra Vishnoranusancharema Narvasya Pushthabhavi Samvasano Vaishnavim Lokajyavadayantam Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durgi Prachodayat Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shambhave Namaha Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trimbakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagni Rudraya Nilakantaya Mrityunjaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mokshiyamamritad Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sad Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. As a part of the invocation, Now we will have a bhajan sung on Guru. The glory of the Guru is explained in this song. The songs are such that, the bhajans are such that, if we are able to capture the meaning contained in the lyric of the song or the bhajan, that itself will become a meditation, that itself will become a little of discourse. Here we sing the glory of Guru. Invocating Guru's grace is of paramount importance, we all know. According to Hindu tradition, the Sanatana tradition, first we invoke Lord in the form of Ganesha. Later we invoke the grace of Guru, because Ganesha and Guru, they open the doors for all other things to enter into our beings. Ganesha is Vigna Nivaraka. He removes all the obstacles and paves the way for the cosmic power to cast its powerful influence on the person that is involved in this holy process of invocation. That is what the prayer to Bhagavan Ganpati will achieve for us. Next, Guru. External obstacles are removed, mostly. All the Dikku, the directions, they are open. All the 4 directions are open. Ganesha, Ganpati is the last of all directions. He opens the directions. When directions are opened, then a sort of the subtle or abstract obstruction that would have prevented the greatness to enter into us is removed. Now there is equally impending, equally obstructive is the inner obstruction. The inner obstruction will have to be removed by taking recourse to the invocation of the Guru, who is the master of our destiny. The Guru is the one who paves the way for the Lord to put himself totally into us. Guru Puja should always be anterior to whatever puja that is there, especially when the puja aims at the spiritual awakening. Several pujas are there with different objectives. When the puja or the spiritual perform, the religious ritual is for the spiritual awakening. Satsanga is something connected to the spiritual awakening of man. When the objective is spiritual awakening, Guru will play a tremendous role, because he is the harbinger for any sort of spiritual development to take place in the being. So obviously, now we take on the Guru invocation. Namana Karu by Guru Charana is a beautiful Hindi composition. Very beautiful. You can enjoy listening to it. Those of you who can join us in the invocation, you are most welcome. Namana Karo mai Guru Charana, Namana Karo mai Guru Charana, Bhava Bhaya Harana, Vandita Charana, Bhava Bhaya Harana, Vandita Charana, Tarana Pranata Jana Susharana, Tarana Pranata Jana Susharana, Namana Karo mai Guru Charana, Namana Karo mai Guru Charana, Kali Malaharana, Sab Sukha Karana, Kali Malaharana, Sab Sukha Karana, Abhaya Vitarana, Jagadodharana, Abhaya Vitarana, Jagadodharana, Padaka Harana, Guru Charana, Padaka Harana, Guru Charana, Namana Karo mai Guru Charana, Namana Karo mai Guru Charana, Bhava Bhaya Harana, Vandita during our last visits and we used to sing so many bhajans like Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati and all that. In Chandra can remember and Gauri and Mohana, you all remember.
I remember that song, but I was not singing.
Because why I was telling was, in case I got any preference, that I have to sing only particular songs.
I was thinking about that song.
Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati. The point of only picking up such songs, which I have already been familiar with, is to only make you involved. So that the collective voice gets momentum, and to that extent it becomes more pleasing. Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Sundara Mrugadhara Piragadharokara Sundara Mrugadhara Piragadharokara Ganga Shiva Gajata Mambaradhara Sundara Mrugadhara Piragadharokara Ganga Shira Gajata Mambaradhara Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Koralali Bhasma Rudrakshi Male Koralali Bhasma Rudrakshi Male Dharisida Parama Vaishnavani Koralali Bhasma Rudrakshi Male Dharisida Parama Vaishnavani Garuda Gamana Shri Purandara Vittalana Garuda Gamana Shri Purandara Vittalana Prana Priyane Namo Namo. Garuda Gamana Shri Purandara Vittalana Prana Priyane Namo Namo. Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Chandra Choda Shiva Shankara Parvati Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Ramana Ninage Namo Namo Namo. Now we will go for a Namavali, where you will be repeating what we say. That will be nice. Full credit government will be there. Deva 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 Krishna. those that have that book, Jyoti, Bhajan Books of Bangalore, Ramakrishna Center, page number is 230. If you have, you can refer to it. That's in Kannada. Other versions are also there. Hindi version of Bhajan book is there. I think Tamil version also is there. So please repeat. Repeat after us. Deva 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 Krishna.
Deva 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 Krishna.
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam.
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam.
Deva 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 Krishna.
Deva 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 Krishna.
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam.
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam.
Shama Krishna,
Nila Megha Shama Krishna,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Nila Megha Shama Krishna,
Nila Megha Shama Krishna,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
Bhuvananatha Pahi Mam,
Bhuvananatha Pahi Mam,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
Bhuvananatha Pahi Mam,
Bhuvananatha Pahi Mam,
Pundarika Nayana Krishna,
Pundarika Nayana Krishna,
Punyarupa Rakshama,
Punya Rupa Rakshama,
Pundarika Nayana Krishna,
Pundarika Nayana Krishna,
Punyarupa Rakshama,
Punya Rupa Rakshama,
Venugana Lola Krishna,
Venugana Lola Krishna,
Vimalanatha Pahi Mam,
Vimalanatha Pahi Mam,
Venugana Lola Krishna,
Venugana Lola Krishna,
Vimalanatha Pahi Mam,
Vimalanatha Pahi Mam,
Vishwarupa Vasudeva,
Vishwarupa Vasudeva,
Veera Rama Rakshama,
Veera Rama Rakshama,
Vishwarupa Vasudeva,
Vishwarupa Vasudeva,
Veera Rama Rakshama,
Veera Rama Rakshama,
Nanda Nandana Mukunda Natha,
Nanda Nandana Mukunda Natha,
Radha Krishna Pahi Mam,
Radha Krishna Pahi Mam,
Nanda Nandana Mukunda Natha,
Nanda Nandana Mukunda Natha,
Radha Krishna Pahi Mam,
Radha Krishna Pahi Mam,
Induvadana Mandahasa,
Induvadana Mandahasa,
Isha Krishna Rakshama,
Isha Krishna Rakshama,
Induvadana Mandahasa,
Induvadana Mandahasa,
Isha Krishna Rakshama,
Isha Krishna Rakshama,
Deva 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 Krishna,
Deva 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 Krishna,
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam,
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam,
Deva 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 Krishna,
Deva 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 Krishna,
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam,
Dina Bandhu Pahi Mam,
Nila Megha Shama Krishna,
Nila Megha Shama Krishna,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Nila Megha Shama Krishna,
Nila Megha Shama Krishna,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Nitya Mukta Rakshama,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
Bhuvananatha Pahi Mam,
Bhuvananatha Pahi Mam,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
Putana Samhara Krishna,
कृष्ण
भुवननाथ पाहि मां
भुवननाथ पाहि मां
पुण्डरीक नयन कृष्ण
पुण्डरीक नयन कृष्ण
पुण्यरूप रक्ष मां
पुण्यरूप रक्ष मां
पुण्डरीक नयन कृष्ण
पुण्डरीक नयन कृष्ण
पुण्यरूप रक्ष मां
पुण्यरूप रक्ष मां
वेणुगानलोल
वेणुगानलोल
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
विमलनाथ पाहि मां
विमलनाथ पाहि मां
वेणुगानलोल कृष्ण
वेणुगानलोल कृष्ण
विमलनाथ पाहि मां
विमलनाथ पाहि मां
विश्वरूप वासुदेव
विश्वरूप वासुदेव
वीर राम रक्ष मां
वीर राम रक्ष मां
विश्वरूप वासुदेव
विश्वरूप वासुदेव
वीर राम रक्ष मां
वीर राम रक्ष मां
नंदनंदन मुकुंदनाथ
नंदनंदन मुकुंदनाथ
राधा कृष्ण पाहि मां
राधा कृष्ण पाहि मां
नंदनंदन मुकुंदनाथ
नंदनंदन मुकुंदनाथ
राधा कृष्ण पाहि मां
राधा कृष्ण पाहि मां
इंदुवदन मंदहास
इंदुवदन मंदहास
ईश कृष्ण रक्ष मां
ईश कृष्ण रक्ष मां
इंदुवदन मंदहास
इंदुवदन मंदहास
ईश कृष्ण रक्ष मां
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 ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲಿ ಅಂಡ್
ಮಹೇಶ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಭಜನೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್
ಟಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಟಾಕ್
plan.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. How long we can go for
ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ, ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನು ಬೇಡ.
So you have the option. You have the option. Whichever way you want to structure the program, we have absolutely.
ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಎರಡು.
ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
Another two. One on Sri Ramakrishna, one on Sharda Mata.
ಓಕೆ,
Then talk and discourse part of the program.
ಆಯ್ತು
We
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
will conclude with Vivekananda innovation, something like that.
ಖಂಡಿತ.
Yes, please. One more Namavali. Similar pattern. We sing and you repeat it.
जपो राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
गाहो राम कृष्ण श्री 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 राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो 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 राम कृष्ण
भजो राम
जपो राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
गाहो राम कृष्ण श्री 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 राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
गाहो राम कृष्ण श्री राम कृष्ण
गाहो राम कृष्ण श्री राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो 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 राम कृष्ण
गाहो राम कृष्ण श्री 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 राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो 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 राम कृष्ण
गाहो राम कृष्ण श्री 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 राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
जपो राम कृष्ण भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण भजो राम कृष्ण जपो राम कृष्ण
Last Namavude. सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
ज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
ज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
ज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
ज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
ज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
ज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
ज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
सुज्ञानदायिके सुविमल चरिते
शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते
मां शारदामणि प्रीतिदाते मा शारदामणि वात्सल्यदाते
मा शारदामणि वात्सल्यदाते
मा शारदामणि वात्सल्यदाते
वात्सल्यदाते
वात्सल्यदाते वात्सल्यदाते वात्सल्यदाते
Yes, my dear friends, as per what was scheduled earlier, and also as per what is how normally a spiritual program of the kind that we call satsanga would be, after the bhajan is over, we will have a short discourse on the subject of relevance normally suggested by the organizer himself. Later, we will have interaction programs. That is how normally satsang programs or spiritual programs are structured. That is how the case has been previously. Today, instead of going to discourse to be followed by interaction, I feel that would be more in fitness of things. If we can straight away go to interaction, we will have some doubts clarification program. If you have got any doubt as regards any spiritual matter or anything connected with how to improvise the life structure, presently you are through. After all, spirituality has got its direct bearing on the life structure of the spiritual aspirant. That spirituality that cannot produce its effect, that cannot tell upon the lifestyle of a man, is perhaps an irrelevant spirituality, and India doesn't believe in such thing. That becomes more of an abstract nature, or that becomes more of an utopian nature, that becomes more of a speculative nature or theoretical nature. That is not the type of spirituality India has advocated through the ages, right from Rigvedic period up to the times of Swami Vivekananda. Spirituality, as propounded by India, is something that enriches the life, that infuses more zest, zeal, vigor, life, poetry into the life pattern that we have been following. So therefore, when this is the context in which we try to normally propound spiritual matters, you may be having some doubts as to how at all this sort of a spirituality can be there, and how at all the spirituality can have its impact on the lifestyle that you are already through. Here and there some doubts might have crept into your mind. If that is the thing, please seek a clarification. So that will be the essence of the interaction program that is going to ensue right now. Seeking clarifications for any doubts that you have, either in your own mind or normally your children might have asked you so many things about, which you might not have been in a position to answer. Whenever your children ask you certain questions which you are not in a position to answer, I would like to suggest the easiest way is you refer to me. When Swamiji comes, you yourself ask. Don't ask me such questions. You can mail, you can telephone. So like that, now we are here, very much available for you. And the session is meant for interaction. If anything to be asked, please without any hesitation, go ahead. While answering the question, that itself will constitute a part of the discourse. So discourse and interaction need not be two separate entities. That's how I feel for present. Any doubts? Questions can be in Kannada, questions can be in Telugu, questions can be in English. Next time,
Please, please.
yes. Little
What does
Soumya.
spirituality mean?
Huh?
What does spirituality mean?
Ah, what a wonderful thing. What's your name?
My name is Lakshmi.
Huh?
My name is Lakshmi.
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 Lakshmi, daughter of
So
Soumya.
Soumya, I know. Lakshmi resembles Soumya more than Soumya herself. Huh? Yeah, very good. Lakshmi.
Lakshmi of Chandrasekharpura.
What is spirituality? Beautiful question to begin with. Spirituality is a different lifestyle. Presently, we are all having some sort of a lifestyle. You are a student, you get up at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the morning or 5 o'clock in the morning. You go to school. Your mother, your father, they also get up at some time. They do so many things and all that. It's all a lifestyle that we are very much familiar with. Why we should do all these things? Lakshmi, have you ever put a question like this to you? Or have you asked your mom, why we should do all these things?
I haven't asked her, but I thought of that question.
I only will answer.
And,
Why we have to do all these things? Most of the times we don't know the exact purpose why we are doing all these things. The pattern has been more of the product of an imitation of the previous generations. Father used to do, mother used to do. Everybody else in the vicinity is doing. People in the opposite house, they are doing that. People in the backyard, they are doing it. Our forefathers used to do. What else we have to do? Swamiji, what else we have to do? If I am a farmer in the village, I simply go and cultivate the land, till the land, cultivate the land, reap some crop. That is how a farmer's life is. If I am an official in some hometown in India, a taluk place or a district place, I catch some opportunity to do some work in some office. I become an official there, earn some livelihood. Later on, after some time, the parents insist that you should marry, whether it is girl or boy. This is age for you that you should get married. The boy becomes married or the girl becomes married. After some time, they will have some children. Children will have to be put to schooling. Children are put to schooling. Things are going on like that, almost in a mechanical way, as though it is an automation. Things are going on. Sometimes that question will simply creep into our mind. Why? Every day, as though it is the greatest commitment in my life, I am doing all these things. Why? Even though it's a little girl, Lakshmi has put this question. The question has got far-reaching implication, far-reaching consequence for all. Quite an relevant subject. What is spirituality? It is as good as asking what is life. Why are we living the way we are living, Swamiji, now? Why should we live the way we are living presently? These are the corollaries of the question that she has asked. A beautiful question, really. Why are we doing all these things? Whenever that why factor comes, whenever that word why comes, whenever that why factor comes, the ultimate answer, the last answer will come only from the realms of spirituality and from nowhere else.
తెలుగులో చెప్పగలుగుతారండి?
Huh?
తెలుగులో చెప్పగలుగుతారా?
తెలుగు అందరికీ వచ్చి లెక్కదమ్మా. కన్నడ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, తమిళ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు.
ఇది దేని గురించి అసలు మాకు తెలియదు, బడి ఉన్నదే వచ్చాము. అసలు ఏంటి అని
కన్నడ చెప్తాను. చెప్తాను.
సరే.
So this question will come. Why we are doing all these things? This is the question that gave birth to Buddhism. What is life? Will everyone fall sick after some age? Siddhartha went on very deeply reflecting on these questions before he became Buddha. What is this old age? Is it that I am going to be through that? When he saw an old man tottering, probably, that question came to him. What is this sickness? Do I fall sick about me? Do I fall sick? I also fall sick. What is this death? I am going to be dead one day. All these questions. Why we are doing all these things? Why we are doing? This question, when it takes possession of you totally, when it makes you rather totally obsessed in the spirit of it, unless I have an answer for this question, I am not able to see any sort of a meaning in whatever activity that I am doing in my life. When that is the way in which the question has taken, it has totally consumed you. The total has drawn over it, it has totally consumed. That is the word I would like to use. It has totally consumed, it has burnt you away, day in and day night. When this question totally takes possession of you, consumes you, when man starts very deeply pondering on the meaning of all these life activities, why we are doing all these things, the answer will come. That answer is, I must free myself from all the things presently I am under the control of. I must free myself from all the things, shackles I would say, from all the shackles, inhibitions, clutches that presently I am under the control of. You are under the control of hunger. You are under the control of so many desires. You are under the control of your intense passion for some standing in society. I want to be number one man in my locality. I want to be such and such a man. I want to have such and such a thing. So many things have taken possession of you. I want to be free from all those things. Freeing is in two different ways. Either to totally grow oblivious of all these cars, not to take into consideration of all these cars, or to overgrow these cars. There are so many people, they never bother about these cars. Don't bother yourself about all these nonsensical things. That Swamiji doesn't have any better business. He comes to you quite often and probably he puts you into all these queries, these reflections, these contemplations and all that. Keep it aside. Enjoy life. Take things as they are. Be a happy-go-lucky man. Don't bother about all those things. This sort of an answer can very easily come to us. There is another way whereby we can answer this question. That is, yes, as a hero, I will outgrow all these limitations, all these cars. I do get whatever I want. I want to become the President of America. Well, I shall become at my will. I shall become at my will. I want to be such and such a personality. Yes, I shall become at my will. This is the way, this is the answer that comes from a very interesting quarter, from interesting, I should say, a thought world, a way of life that we call as spirituality. Spirituality will say, you are an infinite man. You are not a finite man. You are an infinite man. But unfortunately, this finite nature itself is enough for you. As Einstein used to say, there are so many people who really don't need brain at all. Looking at their lifestyle, it appears as though spinal cord is enough for them. Such a mediocre life we are presently through, we do not bother to establish ourselves in this infinitude at all. There is an infinity in you. There is an infinite dimension. The present dimension with you is really glorious. You are an engineer, you are a doctor, you are a man of high position, administrative officer. That's good. But compared to what you are capable of, compared to what is there inside, this is simply ridiculous that you are satisfied with the present position. Present position, okay, let us not discard, let us not throw it away and go in search of something which is presently, which is immediately not feasible for us, not accessible to us. Okay, present state of affairs, let it remain. But we should not rest at that. We should pursue higher and higher goals till we catch hold of something with the help of which, with the possession of which, at will we can do anything that we want, at will we can become anything that we want. The technique and the science that educates you about how to have everything at your will, how to be anything that you want at your will is spirituality. Lakshmi, to have anything at your will, you can become #1 student in the whole world. You can become anything that you want. You can have anything. You can be anything that you want. It is possible for a man, but automatically it will not come. Mere will cannot supply you such a wonderful glory, such a wonderful dimension, such a wonderful strength. mere will cannot supply you. Some sort of a training will supply you. That training, that's a schooling. It's a sort of a schooling. Like the schooling that you are through presently. It's a schooling. That training that can supply you, or that can provide you with such a wonderful status. The science and the techniques is what we call as spirituality. And how will be the modalities in that spirituality? What will be the structure of that spiritual program and all those things? Well, that is something that's entirely a different topic. We need a long time to go for the elaborations of the spiritual training, the different types of spiritual trainings, what sort of spiritual training that we must have, what sort of spiritual training a particular person can have for the fruition to knock at his door at the earliest. There are different topics that need some elaboration. So, for the present purpose, those things are not necessary. We can keep the details to be discussed. On 24th, we have got a program in the what is that? Sanatana Dharma. Gajanana Bhatta. Sanatana Shirdi Sai Baba Temple. 24th, I am giving a talk there in the evening hour only. But the subject is know your roots. That means know the glory of India. What a great country India is. What a great country India was. Know your roots. That is the subject. But it doesn't matter. In the question answer session, this question may come, sir, you said so spirituality is a multi-structured phenomenon. So can you simply brief about different structures like that? If you put a question for the benefit of a larger gathering that we are expecting that day, I think that question can be suitably answered. For present, I think this is enough. Lakshmi? Yes. Now Lekhama will ask one question.
I don't have it.
You know everything. Okay. Lekhama has been with me for the past 4-5 years. She has been having lot of exposure to all these things. Even when she was just a baby of 4 years or 5 years, she used to be totally engrossed in discussions of this type. Accompanying her parents, she used to come. You were? Were you not? You were coming. You were coming to all the classes. Were you not?
Yes.
Yeah. Sharda, you have any question? Please, come on. What is? Buddhism. See what a beautiful question. What is Buddhism? You know what is Hinduism? Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, they are all religions. Again, religion is a subject like mathematics. You know what is mathematics? You know what is physics? Science, you know, English, you know, social science, history, and all these subjects, you know. History will tell you about how great men have lived and how countries have lived, different countries in the world have lived. When did they have their upper hand? When did they have their doom? How they declined? How they came up? How they became conquering countries for some period in history, for a period of time in the past. So all these details you come across in history, is it not so? You have a subject of mathematics also. Buddhism means again another subject that teaches you about meditation. Meditation means concentrating all your attention on a particular object or on a particular event, on a particular phenomenon, on a particular thought. Concentrating all your energies. Now you are concentrating all your attention on what I am saying. Your attention is nowhere else. Totally your attention is towards what I am saying. Like that, fixing your attention on a particular thing and doing it regularly for some time every day, say for about 1 hour or 2 hours, that will increase the strength of your mind. Your mind will become enormously strong. Gradually, it will go on accumulating the strength that is, gained periodically, and one day the mind will become so strong that it makes you a superman, man with a tremendous superhuman possibilities. A superman. From superman level, you go up to the level of godhood. You become like God. You become like God. Buddhism is a particular methodology. Hinduism is another methodology. Christian is totally different methodology. All these religions, Christianity, Buddhism, Hinduism, they are all different religions. each religion is a methodology that will help you how to come to superhuman level, from there to the level of godhood. Every man, every boy, every girl can become God, can become a goddess. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, you have heard of, have you not? Every Sunday probably you go to San Francisco Vedanta Center. There you see Sri Ramakrishna's photo, there it is there. There is Sharda Devi, who bears the name that you bear. They were all village girls, born and brought up like you all are being born and brought up. Like your parents are bringing you up, their parents also brought them up. They were all village. Sharda Devi was a little village girl, not moving out of her village for quite a long time in her life. But by following a religion like Buddhism, about which he wanted to know, she became a superwoman, a super lady, an extraordinary lady. Later she became like a goddess. And today we all worship Sharda Devi. We worship Ramakrishna. Any boy, any girl can become or can attain to the level whereby he or she will become worshipable, most adorable. We simply wonder at their wonderful capacity, capabilities. Oh, how great is this man? How great is this woman? That is how we start looking at them. Any boy can become like that. Any girl can become like that by following a particular training. One such a training is Buddhism. And that training was given first by Buddha, Lord Buddha. He initiated, and therefore we call it as Buddhism. Yes. How are you?
Swamiji, how to overcome the negative thoughts?
Don't identify yourself with negative thoughts. All problems will come only when you strike an identity with the things that you don't want to happen. As far as the happening of things is concerned, we have no control.
Correct.
So many things are happening which we never wanted, even in the worst of our dreams. But they are happening. And they are a reality. After all, at least, thought is an abstract thing which is not tangibly binding you up. Thought will not bind your hand. But there are certain occasions, there are certain incidences in life that will literally bind your hand. That will literally make you weep. After all, thought need not make you weep. Because thought is not so much powerful as to make you miserable in any sense. But there are tangible, real events in life that can simply make you tied up in such a way that you feel very much miserable at the plight that you are through. But remember, nothing can daunt you. You can remain undaunted under any circumstances. That is the fundamental training a man must receive before he enters into any public service. Try to become totally unperturbed, undaunted, because it is not necessary. No event should frighten you. No event can have any notable impact on the being that you are. It cannot alter your circumstances. It cannot alter the intensity of your joy. Nothing can change what we can call as the circumstances in which you are living. Nothing is consequential with reference to circumstances in which you are living. By the word circumstance, I mean both the inner circumstances and the outer circumstances. Unless you get affected by some incidents, no incidents can affect you. It is not things are affecting you, you are allowing things to affect you. Let us put that way. Nothing can affect you. Nothing can affect you. What, Swamiji? Suppose if a person, instead of getting promotion, he gets demotion, is it not affecting? It is not affecting, I say. If you look at the position itself, independent of any other thing, it will affect. The position, your financial position is not independent of, it is not an independent thing. It is not independent of anything. Your financial position, why are you so much bothered about either the promotion or the demotion of your level in the official rank and file? Swamiji, that would have brought me a promotion. Instead of getting promoted, I have been demoted. It has got its repercussion on so many things like my financial position, my status in society and others. Why do I want status? What do you want in the financial position? What is your answer for this question? Ultimately, you will end up with the answer, I would have been a happy person if it were to be there. If promotion were to be there, I would have been a very happy person. That is the point where we are all committing a mistake. You want to be a happy man. Why are you only taking this course to be a happy man? Is it imperative that you must achieve your happiness only the way that you have conceived very much comfortable or convenient for you? Millions and millions of other ways are there to make yourself happy. If at all really you want to be a happy man in life, that need not be through that. But the real happiness must always come through the righteousness, the right path that